How to send PDF file in Messenger. For this, first and foremost, make sure that you have saved your PDF file in a location where you can easily access to it. I recommend you to save it on your desktop. So right here, if your document is not converted to PDF, you can easily do that using an external application that you can easily search on your browser or even tap on your Microsoft Word and you can convert it into PDF easily. To send on your Messenger, open up a browser and log in to your Facebook account. Once you are logged in, you have to tap on the Messenger icon next to the bell icon. By tapping on it, you will see an interface like this. To send your PDF file, at the bottom you will see some of the icons. At the bottom you will see this photograph icon, you just have to tap on it. Then right here, go ahead and select the location that you saved. Then tap on the file and tap on Open. It depends upon the size of the file to load. Then tap on the arrow button to send it. Once it is successfully sent, the person can easily tap Open and directly it will open on a PDF view. If you are facing any difficulty regarding the send, make sure to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, restart your router or your PC and try again. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for watching.